everyone, for today's video I will be teaching you how you can change chat theme on Instagram. First step, make sure that your Instagram account or application is up to date. Once you've ensured that there are no updates available for your Instagram application, you can now open your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in. Once your Instagram account is opened, just press the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you've pressed the message icon, just search and select the conversation that you want to change the theme of. Once you've opened the conversation, click their name at the top part of your screen and here you'll see the theme option. Now just select the theme that you want to apply on your conversation. Then you'll instantly see the theme of your conversation change. Just remember that the theme that you will choose will also be applied to the other person's Instagram conversation with you. Lastly, if you don't see the theme option on your Instagram account, what you can do is shake your screen or phone, then this prompt will appear. Here you can report that you do not have the theme option so that Instagram can work on it. Under report a problem, simply narrate that the theme option is not showing on your Instagram messages, then press send. Take note that it might take a few minutes, hours, or even days for Instagram to work on your report. Once you're done typing your report, just press send and wait. If these steps still does not work, you can go to your app store, search for Instagram on the search tab, and check if there are any updates available. This update might also not be available for some countries or regions, so you might want to wait for a few months. And that is all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.